This is the view of Burke's Garden this morning. It's a little fogged in. The whole area is a little fogged in. Rained slightly overnight. Nothing too terrible. What time is it here? It's 10 after 7. So I'm getting a later start than I usually get from the van. But I had a few extra things to do as well. Hoping for maybe clearing skies later today. And the plan is to do about 15 to that Laurel Creek tent site, and then that will officially end my 21 redo miles, and then tomorrow starts the brand new 23. Really looking forward to that. Oh, just before I leave, the sky changes and the view opens up a little bit. That's awesome. Heading out on trail. I'll see you at that first white place. Gonna outrun the rain. The trail is long, it's rocky and it's steep, and there's a chance we'll lose our way. But I've been searching for something real to keep, and in my dreams I got so much to say. Out here on the road I've seen miracles unfold. They show me what the singing's all about. In harmony we'll find that sweet sunshine. I've come so far. Morning, AT. So thankful for another great day on trail. The view opened up slightly for us there just before I left. That was awesome. The Burke's Garden is beautiful. This is what the trail looks like first thing this morning. Got 15 miles to go to the Laurel Creek tent site. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a really good day. We get to walk along the ridge to the east of Burke's Garden for about 8 miles. Pretty heavily tree covered, so there aren't a lot of views down into that valley from here, but it is a nice ridgeline walk. Some little steep points, but nothing too horrible. It's mostly like this, and with the sun out, what a gorgeous morning. You're the first little orange newt I've seen out here. Yeah, hi, good morning. You should probably move off trail. There's people coming behind me who might not see you. Be as careful. Whoa. Whoa. Awesome. First one I've seen. Which is funny because they're all over. I remember from 21, they're all over. Especially in the Smokies. They were all over the place in the Smokies. Well, that's the first one. Orange guy number 2. That's funny. That's funny. You're adorable. All right. Gotta keep an eye out for them now. They're out and about. Whew. Been on trail for 2 hours, 3.8 miles. Well, just about 2 hours. Just a hair under 2 hours. So I'm pretty good with my 2 mile per hour pace. These bugs are out today. Stop for a second and they just kind of get you. I'm gonna stop for a break. I'm gonna have a snack, drink a bunch of water. I've got coffee left over from this morning, and then push on. It's clouded up a bit, and if you can tell out in that direction, it's a little overcast. So we lost our sunshine for a while. Forecast was supposed to be not sunny. So I'll take this over what it was forecasted to do. Fingers crossed it stays like this all day. Ooh, look at that orange fungus on that tree there. That's pretty. It's kind of a neat section of trail. There's this rock ledge all along here to my right. And then it just drops off. The forest just kind of continues on down here to the left. Pretty neat. Little mixture of sun peeking out, overcast, and some mistiness going on today. Trail has been decent. A lot of rock walking, not the little ankle roller rocks, but larger bouldery sections that you've got to kind of navigate through. I fell. That was probably about 2 miles back now, mile and a half, 2 miles. Landed pretty hard on my left hand. Hyperextended my wrist a bit, so I waited a while to make sure I was all right. I think it'll be okay. And I wasn't paying attention at the time, but my left knee kind of got a little twisted too, so that's what I'm more concerned about. Oh, this is a muddy mess here. The knee is what I'm more concerned about. But it feels okay. Just kind of extra babying it. I tell you, slippery. Slippery, slippery. I just happened to find one of those rocks that was really flat and had just the perfect slope to it. And I found the sweet spot where I slid. Not the ideal location, but it'll do. I'm gonna have one of these buffalo chicken packets on a tortilla for lunch today. I'm pretty hungry and it's almost noon. So I'm gonna sit right here and enjoy. This is the junction to Jenkins Shelter. It's not too far off the trail here, about 100 yards, I guess. But I'm going to continue on. There's 4.4 miles left to my day. These bugs are driving me nuts. 4.4 miles left to the day, and it's 10 minutes to 1. So I've got probably another, couple hours of walking. Sun's been peeking in and out. It's been pretty nice. So anxious to get to the end of the day and get my rainfly off my back and dry it out a little bit. All right, here's the bridge over Laurel Creek. Somebody's got their rainfly out, drying. Very pretty, beautiful area. I'm gonna come back here and soak my feet after a while. Wash the mud off my legs. Awesome. All right, let's get to the tent site. Okay, this is magical. Look at all these butterflies. Don't exactly know what they're doing, but they're all over. That's really cool. And so are the mosquitoes. Wow. All right, the AT goes this way, and then we're gonna find some tent sites here pretty quick. Whoo, skeeters. I think I was in there last time. That's where I ended. That's where I ended 21. This is it, folks. Ground sheet drying there. Rainfly drying there. Looks like a ghost. Halloween ghost. These butterflies. This is awesome. Beautiful. Maybe they'll shoo the mosquitoes away. I'm gonna set my chair up, get my shoes off, and get comfortable here for a second. Have a quick bite to eat while these things kind of air out, and then work on getting the tent up. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, my socks are wet. Oh, my feet are all wrinkly. Ah, that's bad. Oh boy, my feet got wet today. Let's just keep these here to dry. Wow. Walking through wet grass a lot today. Oh my gosh. Yeah, my feet got wet. That's really bad. Oh, just disgusting. Disgusting. All right, well, I'm not gonna put my sandals on just yet. I'm gonna sit here for a minute and let my feet breathe. I'm gonna eat a snack, a pre-dinner snack. And then I'll work on getting the tent set up. The ground sheet's looking like it's drying out nicely. So I'm done with my day. I'm done with my redo miles. Oh, that makes me happy. Makes me happy. All right, it's dinner time. I'm gonna have another one of these ReadyWise meals. I've got the pasta Alfredo with chicken package. I'm gonna get that going here. Get some water boiling and get that cooking. Yeah, at the end of the day, you know, the day isn't done. Still got all these things to do. Get water, get dinner ready. So there's still all these things to do. It's another reason slack packing is so wonderful, because well, not only is Sherry doing all the cooking and stuff for me, but even if I had to do the cooking and whatnot myself, you know, it's still easier than having to gather water and do all this, so. That's done enough for a hungry hiker. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna eat dinner. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna eat dinner and get some things put away. Get my food bag ready to hang. And then I'm gonna get in the tent and get horizontal. I'm gonna go ahead and end the day right here. Here's my tent all set up in the background. I've had dinner, got my bear bag hung. All my things are in the tent. I'm ready to get in and relax for a bit, roll out my legs, and do what I need to do to end the day so I can get to sleep. That includes editing this video. Thank you guys for following along and watching this journey. 21 redo, done, in the books. Tomorrow I start fresh miles, fresh memories, new sights. It's gonna be amazing. I said something to a friend of mine, and I think it was after we got bumped off in 2020. I said, I can't believe how badly I miss the things I've not yet seen. Well, I'm finally going to get to see them. Good night, guys. See you on trail tomorrow.
I'm looking ahead now, I'm on the right road. Gonna outrun the rain, gonna throw away the pain. I'm living right 'cause I'm following my heart. Gonna outrun the rain, gonna celebrate the changes on the highway of legends. It's written in the stars. Gonna outrun the rain. Heroes that I know sing songs of long ago. They lift me up and point me on my way. Though I cannot see it with my eyes, I trust within my heart. So I let go and let the music rule the day. Gonna outrun the rain, gonna throw away